if you grab those cookie cutters, it might make it a little bit easier to transfer your design. I'm actually just going to take my cookie cutter pieces, press them in lightly. You don't need to put a lot of pressure down. So I'm just going to do that real quickly. Okay. This one. Got one more. And a large one. It looks like I missed one over here. Okay. So I've got my cookie cutter shapes pressed in. Now I'm going to go around and do my lines very lightly with the needle tool. I'm just going to trace where those lines are on my paper. I don't want to tear my paper just in case I need to start over for some reason. I want to make sure I still have access to this design. So I don't want to destroy it. Whoop. That line I can do with the big cookie cutter. Okay. Just doing all of my lines. And they don't have to be exactly perfect, but you want them to be pretty close. This is going to help you later on. Alright, so I've got just about all my lines done. So now I can peel up my paper. And it's nice because my design is already on the surface. So now I'm going to take my template, lay it down. May not be exact, but I've put it down on the surface. And now I'm going to cut exactly around my outside edge. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I'm cutting a little bit over those edges so that I have nice clean edges. I'm also making sure as I'm holding my needle tool, I am not angling it in any way. I'm holding it so that it's cutting a nice straight edge. I don't want to bevel at all. I'm going to show you what beveling looks like. So if I was not cutting straight, maybe I was cutting at an angle. Oops, let's finish that off. So if I cut at an angle, it's going to bevel that edge a little bit. It doesn't look as clean. You can see that this one's straight up and down and this one's at a bevel. Hopefully you can see that. All right. I'm going to cut all my sides. Just pull those up. All right, so now I am ready to build. And we are building with a soft slab right now. So I want to make sure that I did smooth it up to this point. It should already be smooth. The next step is going to be to bevel.